everyone, and welcome on my behalf as well. My name is Laura Mäntylä and I'm a scientific consultant at the Scientific Content and Digital Engagement team here at MedEngine. And today I'm happy to give you an overview on the topic of omnichannel communications in the pharmaceutical industry. We will first define what omnichannel actually means, and then we will take a look at some of the benefits of adopting an omnichannel approach in your communications. And finally, we will look at some of the factors that you may want to consider when implementing an omnichannel strategy. So first, let's define what omnichannel really is. Omnichannel approach utilizes several communication channels and formats in a coordinated manner. And understanding the customer and engaging with the customer in a meaningful manner is really one of the defining elements of an omnichannel approach. And this is achieved by utilizing data and coordinating your channels and messages to optimize the communication. Next, just to include the distinction between multi-channel and omnichannel approach, since these may sometimes be used almost interchangeably. But while both of these strategies rely on utilizing several communication channels, the multi-channel approach may be a little bit less refined. So the channels are working independently and there might be less data integration, while omnichannel really starts with the customer, has integrated channels and personalized experience. To simplify, multi-channel is kind of the same thing for everyone in all of the channels, while omnichannel really is about finding the right way to communicate with the right client. Multi-channel approach may be useful as well. Repetition can be the key in getting your customer notice the message and getting them interested, but there are several benefits to taking a more customer-centered approach to communications. So let's take a look at some of the benefits of an omnichannel approach. So with omnichannel, we can achieve a more consistent messaging and experience of the company from the viewpoint of the customer. The data-driven optimization allows us to flexibly adapt our messaging as needed, and better understanding of the customer leads to more meaningful interactions. And finally, by streamlining the communication in the different channels and targeting your different messages, you can allocate resources where they give us the most benefit and we can be more efficient in our communications. Now, the value of an omnichannel approach has been recognized in the pharmaceutical industry, and many companies are already moving towards adopting this omnichannel strategy. Let's take a look at some of the key factors you may want to consider when implementing an omnichannel strategy to your communications. So naturally, a core element here is understanding your customers well. There are several tools that you might want to use, like segmentation or customer tiering based on the role or level of engagement of your customer, for example. Customer journeys allow us to identify what information your customer might be looking for at a specific time. And this will help find the right time to contact the right customer and help add value to your interactions with your customers. Coordinating channels is important, not only in order to find the best channel for each interaction, but also to ensure you're not overwhelming your customer with your messaging and that you don't have conflicting messages in different channels. This applies also to coordinating your communication between the company functions. It's important to select the best format of content for each channel and tailoring the content and the messages based on your target groups. So here we have included some features of content that we find works the best in digital channels as an example of this. So for example, short form content interactive content and visuals like videos and animations, as well as timely content and local themes, and being linked with other activities such as events. These all work well in digital communications. Finally, we have the data-driven approach here that really is the basis of an omnichannel strategy. If you want to understand your customer better, you want to optimize your channels and target your messages, you need to be able to collect data and review that data from all of the platforms that you're utilizing. And leveraging this data will allow you to continuously refine your omnichannel strategy and your communication. So here we have it on the basics of omnichannel. Here's just a summary of all the things mentioned so far. By continuously collecting data and insights and using those to optimize your channel and content with the customer needs in mind, you can achieve personalized communication that adds value to your interactions with your customers. Now I want to thank you for your attention, and if you're interested in learning more about omnichannel in pharma or ways to implement this approach in your company, please be in touch and we will be happy to help. Thank you.